Okay, before you start to tracing, we have to know about the lightweight. So that's my thick marker. So you have to trace it with something big or something huge. Okay, and I'm going to trace with my fine marker. It's very common marker that you use at home. I usually trace it with a medium-sized stuff. Okay, for something medium. And I have the thin marker, it's just like the needle. Okay, so that is helping me to trace something super tiny. But what if you don't have the thin marker? No worry, you can use the pencil crayon to trace. It looks like the thin marker as well. So I trace that for something teeny, for something small. Sounds good? Okay, so that is an example. So you see the number 1 is which has a different lightweight. But number 2 and number 3, I only use one single marker to trace. So it doesn't look like professional, right? So today I want you to try to use different size of the marker to create the different lightweight on your drawing. Okay, now you can go ahead to start to trace.